how to back up Google Keep Notes. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can back up Google Keep Notes. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to back up Google Keep Notes, these are the methods you can follow up. For that, you can get over to your Google Keep Notes application into your device first. Once you are here, you should be finding all of your notes here. So if you want to back up those notes, what you can do is head over to the notes manually, long press on those, and once you've selected the note, at the top, you should be finding different options available. So just go ahead and choose up the three dot, the last one. After that, you will be given these options. So go ahead and select this last option, which is called Copy to Google Docs. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once that is done, it is copied to Google Docs. So you can just go ahead and back it up onto your Google Docs. You can open it up in your Google document, and that is how you basically back up your Google Keep Notes. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.